Hello everyone, we are here in Tagaytay Heights Subdivision in Tagaytay. So for today's video, we're going to show you one of the properties that we are handling. So this property is for lease or for sale. So depende kung ano po yung mauuna. So this is a 255 square meters. 255 square meters house and lot. Okay. Okay, so to start with, this is the main entrance. Okay. So this is a bungalow house. Ayan. So, pasok muna tayo dito sa main house. Dito, pagpasok mo, meron kang balcony or lanay. Ayan. Okay, so, pagpasok, living area. High ceiling bungalow house. Okay. This is the dining area. Right. So, over here, you have a minibar counter na connected dito sa iyong kitchen. So, this is your full kitchen. And this extra space can be a space for your refrigerator or stove. And there you go. Okay. So you have 4 windows dito sa living and dining area. Okay, this door. So this space is a storage. So this will be your storage. There you go. Okay. Dito sa storage, meron kayong door dito. Itong door na ito, pag binuksan mo, ay may access palabas sa side ng bahay. So later on, when we walk through the whole house, dadaan tayo dyan. Okay, so wait natin. Okay, again, this is your storage. May mga shelves na rin dyan. Yan. Okay, let's turn off the lights. Okay, going here. Okay, ito ang master's bedroom. Okay, master's bedroom. We have one window sa isang side ng room. Okay. Alright. Okay, so dito ang inyong entry, toilet and bath. Okay. Water closet, and this is the shower area. High ceiling as well. Oh wait, somebody lights. I'm sorry. Okay, so close this one. So you also have a cabinet here. Okay. Both sides yan may cabinet. So pwedeng kung couple, his and hers. Or pwedeng puro hers lang. Depende sa dami ng gamit ni Mrs. Okay. Palabas na tayo. Let's go to the next room. So over here is bedroom number 2. Okay, bedroom number 2. In bedroom number 2, you have 2 windows. Yan. Dalawang sides. This window, ang tanaw mo dito is the laundry area. And this one, ito yung gilid naman ng bahay. So, ayan yung gilid ng bahay. Pwede siyang buksan for a better ventilation. So, yan. Okay, next, let's proceed with bedroom number 3. Okay, this is bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3 has 2 windows as well. This window naman ay nasa side na parang sa may garahe yung tanaw mo. Okay, And then the other side, ang tanaw naman dyan, is yung sa storage, ay yung sa laundry area ulit kanina. Okay, this is your bedroom number 3. So, that's all for the full house. So, that's the walkthrough. Ouch. Close it. Close it. Okay. Alright, so dito sa loob, you have your common CR. Yan, spacious din siya. Yan, may shower, may toilet and bath. Okay, huge space as well for restroom. So, palabas na tayo ulit sa ating living area. Kung mapapansin ninyo, it's a bungalow house, pero malawak siya, hindi kayo nagbubungguan, no? I mean, kung magkakasalubong kayo ng kasama mo sa bahay, malaki yung mga space na pwede ninyong galawan. And even the living area and the dining and the kitchen, spacious siya. At saka yung ceiling, kung mapapansin po ninyo, mataas, kaya parang nakakahinga ka din talaga. Okay. So, that's all for the house. Now, let's walk further on the side of the house dito. Okay. Ito can be your extra space for events, parties. So, yan. Pwede yan siya. Ito yung side ng bahay. Ito yung first, yung kanina ito. Tagos yan dyan. Okay. Huge again. Malapad. Wide. Itong area na to. So, marami pa kayong pwedeng gawin dito sa portion ng bahay na ito. Okay, yung kaninang storage sa living area. So, ito yon. Sorry, nailo ko na pala. So, dito siya tagos. Para if ever, nagaling ka dito sa labas, meron ka ipapasok sa storage, at ayaw mo makaabala dun sa nasa living area, pwede kayong dito sa labas na manggaling. Okay? Over here is your laundry area. Or, it can be your dog cage, dog cage area, sorry. So, ayan. Madilim, wala na kasing ilaw kaya hindi namin nabuksan. Ayan. Laki din ito. In fact, pwede rin kayo ditong mag-daily kitchen. Kung ayaw ninyo na sa loob kayo magkusina, you know, para yung smell ng mga niluluto ninyo, hindi siya, ang tawag dito, hindi siya maamoy sa loob ng bahay or sa mga kwarto. That area can be your daily kitchen. Okay? So, let's walk through the other side. Walk through the other side. By the way, this is a 3-car garage house. Okay? This is a 3-car garage house. Papasok pa doon. So, ito yung isang window. Tagos to dito sa living area and sa kitchen. This window naman ay tagos sa masters. This is tagos sa masters. Ito, kung may motor kayo, pwede rin paradahan to. And this is another extra space. So, marami kayong pwedeng gawin pa dito sa mga extra spaces na to. Again, this is a 255 square meter bungalow house in Tagaytay Heights subdivision. Very calming yung place. Napakatahimik ng lugar. Sa side po ng bahay, wala pa pong nakatayo na property. So, until such time, pwede nyong ma-enjoy na wala kayong immediate neighbor. So, sa likod ng bahay, wala pa rin pong nakatabi. Wala pa rin pong nakatayo na property dyan. Yan. So, kumbaga, ang neighbor mo ay nasa isang side lang ng bahay. For now. So again, this property is in Tagaytay Heights. 255 square meters for sale or for lease. With regards to price, we will update the price sa aming Facebook page. So this video will be posted in all our social media platforms. Updated prices and informations or details po with regards to the property will be posted in our page. So just keep on following the page para mas maging updated po kayo sa mga properties pa na for sale or for lease. So if you have questions regarding to this beautiful bungalow house in Tagaytay Heights, just send us a message, send us a private message, and we will be happy to assist you anytime. So again, thank you so much, and this is Joanne of EP Properties. Okay, so if in the event na kayo yung makakakuha ng bahay, so this will be your view in front of your house. Ayan. Maganda yung community, very beautiful and calming subdivision. So later, iikot kami sa amenities, no, sa pool. Right? So, let's go. Okay everyone, so nandito naman tayo sa clubhouse ng Tagaytay Heights. Okay, so mag-video tayo sa clubhouse nila so you'll know if ever kayo yung mag-rent sa property kanina sa Cinnamon Street. Okay, so this will be the clubhouse, no? Na pwede ninyong ma-avail. So we're going to look inside para malaman natin kung ano yung mga amenities na meron. So, let's go. Okay, madilim. So, okay. Nandito tayo sa loob ng clubhouse. Walang tao. Okay, wala nang tao, madilim. Okay, baba tayo. Nandun yata sa likod ng clubhouse yung pool. I don't know how to access the pool eh. So, didiskubrihin pa natin. Okay. Let's see. Let's go down and down and down. Okay, so I think this is a function hall, a function area that you can rent if you are a resident of Tagaytay Heights. Okay, so let's see if we can open this door. Okay, pwede. Alright, so there you go. This is the pool area. Okay, this is the pool area. Okay. Kaya lang, for now, hindi natin alam. Okay, for now, hindi natin alam kung ano yung schedule ng pool. Maybe then, pagka nandito na kayo nakatira, pwede siyang itanong. Okay. Alright. Malaki yung pula. In fairness. So, this is a lap pool, I guess. Tapos, sa dulo, ay kiddie pool. Tama ba? Kiddie pool. Alright. Correct. This is their kiddie pool. Alright. Very tranquil naman dito sa lugar na to. This is such a very nice subdivision. Ang ganda niya. Tahimik. Wide yung mga kalye. Ang lalaki ng cut ng mga lote. Ang gaganda ng houses ng mga kapitbahay mo. Yan, so it's nice. Okay. So, that's it. That's all for the clubhouse.